So the surface is not, in any sense, dedicated to combat aircraft. We now see the P-47 and the P-51 getting airborne. On the 11th of the North American P-51 Mustang. Now. Both of these aeroplanes operated by Fighter Aviation Engineering. Now I say it's a North American P-51D, the Mustang that's second of these two aircraft in formation. Well, its equivalent to a P-51D is in fact an Australian-built example of the Mustang. The Commonwealth Aircraft Corporation, CAAT, the newest Mustang on the British Airshow circuit, a new addition to the fleet this year. Jersey Jerk has applied to the personal aircraft of Donald Strait. Mustangs, he wanted to name his first P-47 the Jersey Bounce in honour of his home state.
Down again on Harlingen.
Stuff at that. Straight to his ground crew to come up with a name for the aeroplane named Jersey Jerk. Much later, Straight would recall that he told Watson, not a jerk, Watson said, "Sir, let me tell you why we want to name it that. Any guy that would take off with a single-engine airplane across the North Sea in the winter time and take a chance of getting shot up by the Luftwaffe or by anti-aircraft fire has got to be a jerk." P-51s following on from 4 P-47s to bear it, and he went on to achieve most of his aerial victories flying Mustangs, with 13 and a half confirmed aerial victories. He was the 356 Fighter Group's top scorer of World War II. Right up to his death in 2015, age 96. For the Mustang, the P-47 Thunderbolt. When you didn't see the aircraft together, we did that. These were two aeroplanes conceived for the same role. So much bigger and heavier is the P-47. Indeed, it was one of the heaviest single-engine, single-seat fighters of World War II, weighing more when empty than quite a lot of multi-engine strike aircraft. As opposed to the P-47. At our last air show here, to have with us Ed Jurist, former 48 Fighter Group, 47 Fighter Group. Lost something like 4 or 5 seconds out of the opening, and they still managed to I've never spoken to anyone who does a very, very important aircraft to have back on the circuit thanks to fighter aviation, engineering. Came back here in 2018, painted as a 492nd Frontier in September, where Ed Jurist was reacquainted with the P-47 World War flying into this air.
Check 16013.
Mark Levy, a beautiful landing of the P-47, which has displayed most of the events here at Duxford this season. It's certainly one of the aircraft we've seen the most of our flying displays. And to me, that is one of my absolute favourites. What did the flight fleet on passenger lines and fly well. And Dave Pullison was doing the honours in that aeroplane. Lovely display by the two American fighters. Don't forget that they catch the pass to show your appreciation for their efforts. Pilots do enjoy knowing it is enjoyed their flying for you this afternoon. Display Eurofighter Typhoon FGR-4 from number 29 Squadron for this season in the colours of a Hawker Typhoon from the D-Day period, specifically on operation by number 257 Squadron. It hasn't been possible to fly that aircraft alongside the invasion strike delivering Warbird